Good afternoon. Y'all probably remember that video I made where I went over my method, the method to get a 5 on any AP, no, not any AP calculus test. That was pretty early on in the year. For me to boast getting a 5 confidently prior to the test, it takes a lot of guts. And let's see if, just for anybody that doubted, let's see. Oh, ignore that. Oh, Bumba Clap. What we got here? As you can see, I am a licensed AP course tutor, or advice giver, should I say. But in essence, this video is to go over what helped me the most get this, as well as some new things that I learned along the way that helped contribute to getting this 5. Let me introduce you to Anki. This right here, my buddy put me onto this, bro. I'm telling you, this right here is the key. This is what apparently this is what med students use to study and get perfect scores on their MCATs. And my buddy, a good buddy of mine, he don't gatekeep game, but this right here is basically like Quizlet, but it's like cracked. You develop your own flashcards, and then it has like an algorithm that helps you put it through. And that's how I studied for pretty much all my AP tests, and I got 5s on these 3. We don't talk about physics though. Let's say for instance biology. First of all, you have to make the flashcards, and that's a whole different thing that I'm not going to get into right now, but just to showcase the program, like for example AP biology, it has an algorithm. The green right here are your reviews. These are the ones that you either got wrong or you're still learning. And blue right here, those are the brand new. Those are the brand new cards. For example, this one. Additional DTV cap to mRNA. Boom, just like that. How did I know that? How did I know that? The premise of this whole thing is, rather than cramming for a test last minute and it being stored in short term and it goes away, rather you use this, which using the algorithm will embed it into your long-term memory, and it'll do you more justice rather than studying so hard for one night for one test and forgetting about it. Because I mean, me personally, the stuff I learned, I prefer to, remember what it is. That way I'm not wasting my time at school. Oh! So for instance, right now I get 4 options. Again, pretty much just resets it. Hard, good, and easy. And this is where the discipline and the accountability comes into effect. Because if you just press easy on all of them, you're never going to see the cards again. So you kind of have to hold yourself accountable, or else the algorithm is going to be off. So I got that one with pretty good ease. So I'm going to just say easy. And I mean, yeah, in essence, yeah, that is how it works. Once I discovered this, I didn't use Khan Academy as much, but I would say use Khan Academy if there's a subject that you're unclear about, whether that's just an issue with the teacher or whatever. Use Khan Academy as that tool to kind of sand it all out. That way you have an understanding of it, and then use this to embed it into your long-term memory. So I mean, if you're self-studying an AP course, I say Khan Academy to learn it, then this to remember it, and then pretty much straight. Hey, I put y'all on the game. I got 5 AP courses. It's not on here because it is a little harder for some subjects to use flashcards, like literature, where it's more creative thinking. But as for courses where it's terms or logic, this is the best thing for you. But yeah, that's about it though. So I'm gonna catch y'all. I'll see you on the flip side.